In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under gross features of an atom. So guys, we have 9 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Okay, so let's get started. The first one I have here, it says, which of the following scientists discovered the electron? So the scientist that discovered the electron is J.J. Thomas. Alright, that's Joseph J. Thomas, option A. So that's it for this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says, which of the following elements is diatomic? So the element that is diatomic here is oxygen. Alright, oxygen can exist as a molecule in form of oxygen gas, but there's nothing like sodium gas, there's nothing like iron gas. Neon is not diatomic. Alright, so the only diatomic element here is oxygen. So that's it for this question. Another example of an element that can exist as diatomic is hydrogen. We have hydrogen gas, we also have nitrogen gas, etc. Okay, so I think, yeah, chlorine can also exist as diatomic, chlorine gas. So the next question will be this one. It says, which of the following scientists discovered the neutron? So the scientist that discovered the neutron is James Chadwick, option A. So guys, take note of these scientists that discovered the various subparticles of the atom. The electron, who discovered it is J.J. Thomas. Neutron is James Chadwick, whereas the proton is Rutherford. Alright, so the next question is this one. It says, atoms are electrically neutral because they, option A, they do not conduct electricity, are composed of neutrons and electrons, contain equal number of protons, and electrons cannot be attracted by electromagnetic field. So the right option to this question is option B, contain equal number of protons and neutrons. That's why the atom is electrically neutral. Proton number equals electron number. Very, very important. Next question will be this one. It says the negatively charged particle in an atom is the, so this is very simple, electron, option D. Next question will be this one. It says allotropes of elements differ in their, so the right option is physical properties. Very important. That's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says the conclusion from Rutherford alpha scattering experiment is that electrons are deflected by magnetic and electric field. There is nuclear pull on orbital. Atoms are mostly empty space with small nucleus. Emission from radioactive substance consists of 3 main components. So the conclusion basically is that, okay, the conclusion for Rutherford alpha scattering experiment is, so guys, the conclusion here is that atoms are mostly empty space with small nucleus. All right, so that's it. That's the right option to this question. The next question will be this one. It says, which of the following species determines the chemical properties of an atom? So the right option will be option A, electron. Electron is a subparticle of the atom that determines the chemical properties of the atom. The last repeated question for in this video will be this one. It says, one of the deductions from Rutherford alpha particle scattering experiment is that protons are positively charged. No. Electrons are negatively charged. No. Nuclei of atoms are positively charged. Yeah, so this is the right option. So the correct option here is option C. This is basically how you can deal with problems involving gross features of the atom. For your chemistry practice with about 8 to 10 repeated questions in this video. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. So tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below, and I will ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you are part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, where you'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your external exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the next club above and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.